Here we go. All right, so we talked about alternate interior angles yesterday. They're on the inside of the parallel lines. Angle 4, angle 5, angle 3, angle 6. What do you know about alternate interior angles? They are what? They're on the inside, yes. They're catty corner, yes. But what else do you know about them? They're what? They're equal to each other. They're equal to each other. Okay? So, that being said, we move on to alternate exterior angles. Where are they located?
On the same,
They're located on the outside of the parallel lines, correct?
yeah.
So, what do we know about them? So angle 1 and angle 8, angle 2 and angle 7 are alternate exterior angles, and what do you know about them? They're equal also. Okay? Alright? You with me so far?
Yeah.
So I can say that angle 1 is equal to what angle? 8. And I can say that angle 2
Is equal
is
to
equal to what?
7.
7.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? All this fixing to make sense here in a minute. Which falls down, pay attention. Alright? Then we talk about corresponding angles. And what are corresponding angles?
Corresponding angles the same spot different.
So, okay, so they're in the same spot, different levels, right?
1 and 5.
So 1 and 5, 2 and 6, 4 and 8, 3 and 7. Okay, and what do you know about them? Well, guess what? They're equal also. Okay, so angle 2 is equal to angle what? 6. Angle 1 is equal to what? Angle 5. Angle 3 is equal to what?
7.
Is equal to 7.
4 is equal to 8.
Okay, 4 is equal to 8. Alright? Pretty simple, right? Alright. Then we talked about consecutive interior, which is same side interior. Let me make something specific here. Consecutive interior is going to be on the inside, and they're going to be back-to-back angles that don't cross a line. So what's back-to-back and don't cross a line with 4?
4,
5,
6.
6.
No, 4 and 6.
4 and 6. They're back-to-back. They're next-door neighbors. They don't share a fence. Okay? 3 and 5. Next-door neighbors don't share a fence. Okay? And what do you know about them? What if I was to take angle 4 and add it to angle 6? What would I get?
Wait.
They're not equal to. What are they? Wow. What, did we sleep yesterday? So if I take angle 4 and I add it to angle 6, what am I going to get? Well, look at it. What does it make? It makes a line, doesn't it? And what's a line equal to? 180 degrees. So angle 4 plus angle 6 is equal to 180. Terrific. Hallelujah, amen. Okay? All right? Now, we're going to talk about something different today. We're going to add 2 things to what we talked about yesterday, but these 2 things are not old. We've already talked about them once before. We're going to talk about vertical angles. What are vertical angles? What do you know about vertical angles? So I'm going to draw 2 lines here. Okay, and I'm going to put numbers right here. What 2 angles are vertical?
4.
Give me a pair of vertical angles here.
4.
4 and what?
2.
2. Why are they vertical? They mirror each other. They look at each other. So 1 and 3 are vertical, 2 and 4 are vertical. And vertical angles are equal to each other. Okay, so if this is 120, what's this? 120. Okay, if this is 60, what's this?
6.
That's 60. Okay, does everybody understand that?
Yes.
Okay, and we talked about a linear pair, and a linear pair are the same thing, except this time they are next door neighbors and share a fence. They form a line. So if this is angle 1 and this is angle 2, angle 1 and angle 2 are a linear pair. Don't get that confused with consecutive interior angles. This doesn't share a fence. This shares a fence. Y'all see the fence?
Yeah.
right here. That's the next door neighbor share a fence. Okay, see this? That's the next door neighbor don't share a fence. Okay?
Yeah.
Well, guess what, a linear pair, if I add them together, angle 1 plus angle 2 is gonna be equal to what? 180 degrees. So if this is 60, what's angle 2 gonna be equal to? Well, 180 minus 60, which is 120. Okay? Alright? Now, what are we gonna do with this today? This is what we're gonna do with this. All those definitions over there. Here's what you're gonna be given today. You're gonna be given a measure, 80 degrees. Angle 2 equals 80 degrees. Find angle 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Find all the angles. That's what you're gonna do today. And it's very simple and very easy to do. All you gotta remember is all this stuff. And I can go right off the bat, and I can use what I learned today, vertical angles. What's angle 3 equal to? Well, it's a mirror image with 2, so it would be what? 80 degrees. Okay? And then I go angle 1. Well, angle 1 and angle 2 are a linear pair, and they make 180, so 180 minus 80 is what? 100. That's 100 degrees. What's angle 4 equal to? 100 degrees. Okay? Then I can go on and move on to yesterday. Angle 2 and 6 equal the same thing, right? Because they're corresponding, so angle 6 equals what? 80. 4 equals 8. 3 equals 5. 1 equals 5. And 3 equals 7. And I found all my angles. Okay? And that's all you're doing today. Y'all want to do one more?
No.
Just for kicks and giggles?
No.
Well, too bad, we're going to.
Yes, sir, Coach Sam.
All right, here we go. Here we go. Angle 1 equals 135 degrees. Find the rest of them. Okay? I'm gonna pretend to be y'all now. Here we go.
Do you want me to stop this?
I got it.
Oh, okay.
Right? Help me out. Put your phone down. Which one? Help me out. Come on, come on, come on. Think. Somebody start rattling some numbers off for me.
100.
4 is 100?
45.
Wait,
so it,
Two is-
it's either 180, right, or 130?
Do what?
45 for 2.
45 for 2? Why?
Yeah.
Because 180 minus 135 is 45.
Very good. Okay, next one. Come on, somebody.
3 is gonna be 40.
Say 3 is gonna be 45?
Yeah.
You are correct, ma'am. All right, next one.
4 is gonna be 130.
All right, very good. 135. Very good, ma'am. All right,
6 is gonna be 45.
45. Okay. How? Why?
Because it's
Because it corresponds to 2.
Yeah.
Okay. Why else?
5 is gonna be
It could be a linear. It could be a what?
linear.
It could be a consecutive interior. I bet if you add those two, you get 180. Okay. All right. 4, 5 is gonna be what?
130.
135. Very good. All right.
8 gonna be 135.
8 is gonna be what?
130.
135.
Your marker's running out. We
Yes,
can
I
see
know.
that. 7 is gonna be
7 is gonna be
45.
45. Okay.
Yeah.
Is that hard?
No.
Apparently it is, because y'all are all quiet today.
I ain't gonna lie, I was confused when I
But are you confused anymore? No? Got it? Does everybody understand? Alright, so today's lesson is Unit 3, Day 2. When is it due?
Sunday.
Sunday at
11:59.
11:59. When's yesterday's work due?
Sunday
Sunday.
at 11:59.
When's Monday's work due?
Sunday
Sunday
at
at
11:59.
Alright, does everybody understand that?
Yes.
Does anybody have any questions?
I like your